I would like to solve this example. Let U be the universal set consisting of the set of all students taking classes at a college. Let M be the set of all students currently taking a math course, S be the set of all students currently taking a science course, and E be the set of all students taking an English course. Write an expression using set operation for each of the following. Okay, so what do I have? I have a universal set, U. Then I have M be the set of all the students taking math courses, S set of students taking science courses, and E for English courses. So if I want to have a Venn diagram, it will look like this. So this is the universal set U. Then I have M for math courses. Then I have S for science courses. And I have E for students for taking English courses. So this is a Venn diagram in the most general case that I could graph. Now I'm looking for the set of students taking a course in at least one of the above three fields. Okay, so at least means what? It means that they are taking English course, or they're taking math course, or they're taking science course. Okay, so let me give you a recall. When we have two sets, A and B, then A union B is what? Is the set of all elements of the universal set such that X is in A or X is in B. A intersection with B is the set of all elements such that X is in A and X is in B. Okay, so whenever that I want to kind of refer to the union, I say A or B for the union, and for the intersection, I say A and B. Okay, now here I have English or math or science. Okay, so it would be E or means union, M or union science. Okay, so if I want to have the Venn diagram in this case, this is the universal set, then I have my three sets, M, S, and then E, and for showing all the students who are taking at least one of these courses, it would be the union of all of them, the whole thing in here. Good. The second one, the set of students taking both an English and a math course. Okay, so they're taking English and a math course. So it would be E. When I have the and, it means that both of them together. So E intersection with M. Okay, and it says but not a science course. Okay, so about the not, let me give you one more recall, is that if we have a set A, then A complement is the set of all the elements of the universal set such that X is not in A. Okay, so whatever elements that are not in A, they would be on the complement. Okay, so in here I said that but not a science course. It means that those students, I don't want them to take the science course. So in that case, this would be not a science, would be S complement. And it says what? Taking English course together with the math course, and I don't want to take them science, so it would be intersection with S complement. Okay, so if I want to graph the Venn diagram again, would be the universal set. Then I have M, S, and then E. Okay, so it said E intersection with M, it would be everything in here, in this area. E and M intersection would be here, but it is intersection with S complement. It means that I don't want the elements to be in S. Okay, so it would be this area here. Great. And the last one, the set of students taking a course in exactly one of the three courses above. Okay, in exactly one, it means what? It means that they're taking English, but not math, not, it's better to say, and not and not science. Which means what? It means that they're taking English and they shouldn't take math. So, and means intersection. They don't take math and they don't take science. Okay, so exactly one. So they may take English, or they take math but not English and not science. So in that case, it would be what? They're taking math and they don't take English and they don't take science. Or they might be cases that they take science but they don't take English and they don't take math. So they're taking science and means intersection. They don't take English and they don't take math. Sorry, the last one would be math. There's too many courses. Math. Okay, and so in these cases, one of them taking just English, the other one is taking only math, and the other one, the last one, is taking only science. But there is an or between them, because in all of these cases we have students who are taking just one course. So the answer for this question would be the union of all these cases. It would be E intersection with MC intersection with the C S complement, union M intersection with E complement intersection with S complement, union S intersection with E complement intersection with M complement. Okay, now if I want to have the Venn diagram, it will look like what? I have my cases. So it would be M, S, M, S, and E. Okay, the first one is all the elements of E intersection with MC, which means that all the elements of E that are not in M, that are not in S. So all the elements of E are here, but I don't want them to be in M and S. So it would be this area. Then I have this case, which would be M, all the elements of M that are not in E, they are not in S. It would be this area. The last one, all the elements of S that are not in E, they are not in M. So this area. And since I have the union between them, it would be this one diagram. That's it.